Why must the strong bow to the weak? When and how does that make sense? Let me ask you this. When you think about a strong person, what are your thoughts on that? A person who is in touch with their feelings, a person who can be blown by a little bit of a wind. You guys know what I'm saying. Those scrawny little people who look weird, just weak, not only in mind, but in body as well. When you think about strong, you think about somebody who, no matter what comes their way, will stand tall. No matter what life throws at them, they're going to say, it's fine. We'll get through it. When you see somebody strong, you will think, or when you think about somebody strong, you will think about somebody who has principle, who said, this is my line, and come across it. But when you look at what is going on nowadays in the world, you see the contrary. You see weak people, aka those people who look more like peacocks than anything else, both physically and mentally, because they physically look weird as hell and they're mentally unstable. All they do is scream, and then if you do something, oh my god, you assault me. That is the definition of a weak individual. Could be blame on the way that they were raised. Maybe they were raised by weak people. That can be it, because that's what good times do. It creates weak people. That's what good times do. And we have got way too much good time for way too long. It is coming to an end, though. It is coming to an end. But all of those weak people want power. They want to tell everybody what to do, because they know they're weak. They know they're mentally weak, physically weak, character. They have no character. They're weak all around. So for all intents and purposes, when you talk to them, they have to ask their wives if they can do something. They're like little babies or little kids in adult bodies that they need to ask their mama, aka their wife, if they have wife, what to do and if they have permission to do something. Don't remember, strong men or strong people needed to ask permission for anything. I could be wrong. I've been known to be wrong. If you see something different, put it down in the comment section below. I will be interested to hear your thoughts on the matter. Doesn't mean that I will agree with them, but I would like to hear your thoughts on the matter. Now, why must the strong bow to the weak? Oh, because they need our help. But why? It's their choice. If you're a weak character, grow a spine. If you're a weak body, grow stronger. If you are a coward, then become brave. Everything of your weakness is solvable. You just don't want to. Again, is that lack of strength. Oh, because society have told me that, that's toxic masculinity. How you think you got here? Because somebody was tough enough and they survived in order for your bloodline to be here today. You are an embarrassment to your ancestors if you are a weak person. You are an embarrassment. You are the reason why those dead relatives are rolling in their graves. You disagree with me? It's okay. I'm being a little harsh. But I am tired of people saying that, oh, you have to bend the knee because you have to cater to those people who are weaker than you because you have a moral responsibility to look after the weak. No. We have to stop catering to all of those weak-minded people. We have to. Oh, you want to talk about your feelings? Go talk to the wall. The wall will listen to you. Anything you say to the wall will remain between you and the wall. And the wall will reply back to you. And the moment that it does, please let me know. Because I have the card ready to put you in an asylum where you're going to have every of your needs satisfied. That's where weak people should be. Yeah. Is it extreme? Well, what else you want me to say? Truly, what else you want me to say? I am tired. I don't want to cater to anybody. Your feelings are yours. Your weakness are yours. What you have done with your life is your problem, not mine. I don't need to care or cater to you. I just don't. I don't need to bend the knee for you. I don't need to. All of these good times that the U.S. have enjoyed, the world in general have created way too many weak people that they don't even know who they are. They don't know who they are, but they want to go up there to the corners and scream that you have to accept me for who I am. Who are you? You don't even know who you are. You are so confused that you don't even know who you are because you're weak. Your nugget is weak. Your soul is weak. You definitely got no heart. These people should not be in any position of power at all. And in one area, I've seen them the most. Education. There is an incredible amount of these weak people teaching your children how to become even weaker. My friends, if you want to stop all of this, I will strongly encourage you all to homeschool your child or your children's. How many you have? I don't care. Take them out of the school system. I see so many weak-minded people, both males and females and everything between. So weak in every aspect. Every aspect. In what world where somebody will say to you, don't teach your kid if you get hit back. You guys know what I'm saying. It's like they don't want you to teach your own children to defend themselves. We just got to talk it out. Talking out it got us where we are nowadays. That is the problem. Too much of this, not enough of this. We got to bring the old ways back. We have to bring the old ways back. The old ways made us who we are. This good time things make all of this that we have to deal with. And I am personally tired. I'm personally tired, and I quite frankly really don't want to deal with none of that. And everything that we see from schools to government is like full of weak people all around. And we have to step up, y'all. We have to step up and say enough, because I know there's a lot more of us than they are there. Them. They're just they're just freaking disgusting. Yeah. Tell me how you feel, Billy. Well, that's how I feel. That is how I feel. There's nothing more that disgusts me in life than a weak individual. That's it. Anyway, just comment down in the comment section below. Let me know what you think on the matter. Are you tired too? Are you sick of it? Because I am disgusted by it, to tell you the truth. I am just disgusted by it. Anyway, I hope to see you in the next one.